Top reasons homeowners are selling their houses right now. Some people believe some homeowners are reluctant to sell their houses because they don't want to lose the historically low mortgage rate they have on their current home. You may have the same hesitation if you're thinking about selling your house. Data shows 51% of homeowners have a mortgage rate under 4% as of April 2022. And while its true mortgage rates are higher than 4% right now, there are other non-financial factors to consider when it comes to making a move. Home sellers have historically moved when something in their lives changed: a new baby, a marriage, a divorce, or maybe even a new job. So if you're thinking about selling your house, it may help to explore the other reasons homeowners are choosing to make a move today. The 2022 Summer Sellers Survey, try saying that 3 times fast, by Realtor.com asked recent home sellers why they decided to sell. 31% want different features or amenities. 26% need a home office. 22% want a smaller house. And 17% no longer need to be near the office. If you, like the homeowners they surveyed, find yourself wanting features, space, or amenities your current home just can't provide, it may be time to consider listing your house for sale. Even with today's mortgage rates, your lifestyle needs may be enough to motivate you to make a change. And here's my contact information. Make sure you give me a call.